guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a sprite from Brawl Stars. Things you need in these videos can be your paper, your pencil, and your markers. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Let's get right into today's video.
Alright, first thing I'm going to start for Sprout is going to be the, body, because he's not ready to be human. So we're just going to draw kind of like big oval and two lines, two lines that go right here, with two circles, and then two U's. Because he doesn't have feet, he has wheels for his feet. Now, right here, we're going to draw two lines and we're going to connect it with a W on both sides. On this side it's going to be N and that side is going to be W. I'm going to draw a line right here, goes down, and actually it's going to make a triangle shape. Then it's just going to go here, make another triangle shape, and go right there. I'm just going to basically outline that. Then we're going to draw his face. So we're going to draw two ovals, color them black, and then just draw the little line right here. Because he likes trees. That's why he's called Sprout. And right here, we're going to draw a curved line, two curved lines, and then go all around here. Then right here, we're going to draw two lines right here. Then we're going to go out, going to make like a N shape kind of, with a line in it. I'm going to draw two lines right here. You can add some spikes. I suggest you add 4 of them. Then right here we're going to draw a line right here, just going right there. And it's also going to go around here. So it kind of looks like this. So right here we draw 2 lines that go down, and they're just going to connect like that. Then we'll draw 2 lines right here, and they go down. Then 2 circles, and then a big circle that's gonna be red. Then we're gonna draw any shape, and then we're gonna draw C, and then a backwards C, and 2 lines that go up. And they're gonna make like a heart shape, but it's actually a tree kinda, because like those are the branches and that's all the leaves. Right here we're gonna make just a little kind of blocky U shape, and we can color that. You're gonna draw 2 lines going from it up to here. Now, the only thing left is his arms. Or her, I don't know, I think it's a he. But he's a robot, so I don't know. And also right here, we're gonna draw an oval for a glare. Okay, now right here, we're gonna draw a line that goes out. It's gonna go right here, and then curve right there. Same thing right there. And we're gonna draw 2 lines to go, and they go like that, and we're gonna draw 2 lines. Then we're gonna do the exact same thing, just, backwards on this side. Then right here, we're gonna draw a line that goes out, and it goes right here. So we're gonna just draw a line right there. 2 lines that go right here. 2 kind of like rainbow shapes, but not a rainbow. And then it goes out to here. A little block shape, and just 2 lines that go. 3 lines that go to here. I'm gonna draw 2 C's. So it looks like this. He has grabbers for his arms. And we do the exact same thing, but backwards. Well, not really backwards. Backwards on this side. So I'm just gonna do that really quickly. Alright, this is what the Sprout sketch should look like. Now I'm going to fast forward through this outlining, and I'll see you guys when I'm done outlining. this is what your sprout sketch should look like when you're done with, well, no, not the sketch, I mean the outline. Now we're gonna get to the colors. So you're gonna need 1 or 2 greens. I highly suggest 2. You're gonna need 1 or 2 pinks. I highly suggest, I highly suggest 2. That's what I'm gonna be saying for the next colors. Yeah, I'm evil. You're gonna need a blue. I don't need to suggest anything because it's just blue. Now, a gray. And you're gonna need a darker gray, so it's these 2. And then an orange and a yellow. So, these should be all your colors. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward through this coloring. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button while we're doing it. And you're also gonna need a red. And I'll see you guys when I am done. Alright, this is what your sprout from Brawl Stars should look like when you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.